Okay, good morning everyone. Today I was facing problem. My house there is no
Good
electricity.
morning, sir.
Okay, let me mute to each and everyone first, then we'll continue. There is no electricity today at my home. That's why I'm facing a little bit problem. Okay, Aradhana Chaudhary is here. Aradhana Chaudhary. Aradhana Chaudhary, unmute yourself. Play your video. Aradhana Chaudhary. Play your video. Aradhana Chaudhary, play your video. Are you listening? Play your video first.
Sir, my video is on.
I am not ma'am, I am sir. You are calling me ma'am.
Sorry, sir.
Akanksha Ayushi, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Let me know, is there any problem regarding my voice clarity?
No, sir.
Okay, are you listening properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let me know what we were studying. Tell me.
Chapter 5. Chapter 5, page number 59, seed dispersal.
Okay. Have I given you any homework?
Yes, sir.
What was the homework?
Sir, draw the picture of seed.
Okay, so all of you have done it.
Yes, sir.
So first I will check homework. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So all of you start sending the pic of that project what I had given you in the previous class in my WhatsApp. Okay. Start sending. I will check one by one. Okay, everyone, all of you send your project what I had given you the day before yesterday in the previous class. I will check the homework first. Aradhana Chaudhary, have you completed the homework?
Sir.
Have you completed homework?
No, sir.
Why you haven't completed?
Sorry, sir.
It was very easy homework. You just need to draw the picture of the seed, which is given at page number. What was the page number, Akanksha Ayushi?
Sir, 58.
58. Okay. Now students have started sending. So let me show you how they have completed. Let me show you on the screen. I will show you on the screen. Okay, those who are sending, so if you will mention your name, that would be better. Okay, so first Molly Singh has sent, so let us check Molly Singh first. Molly Singh project. they are with will continue. Okay, see, this is the modeling project. Is it visible to you, Akanksha, Ayushi, and Aradhana Chaudhary? Are you able?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So plant detection, draw the picture. Inside view of the seed. So this is the inside view of the seed. Very good. After Molly Singh, then Kislay Raj has sent. So let us check Kislay Raj copy also. This is the Kislay Raj project. Today, I think all of them will. Let us check someone else. Then Rishi Raj is here. Rishi Raj. This is Rishi Raj copy. Okay, he also have done it only. Rishi Raj. Now Mantasa Afrin. Mantasa Mantara, I think. Okay, nicely has done. I just will go through who has completed or not. In this way, I will come to know who is serious about his or her study. Otherwise, I will give you homework, and if you will not complete, then that would be very, very difficult. Aradhana, seeing names, draw the picture of the sea. Okay, Aradhana,
What, sir?
you have to draw this homework. What homework I had given you, you have not completed now, so you have to complete this one. You understood?
Yes, sir.
So you complete right now. By the time I am checking, you complete.
Okay, sir.
Then Rimmi Naik is there. Let us check quickly. Okay, Rimmi Naik also. Right here. Those whose name are not saved in my mobile. So I am writing, write your name. Those whose number is visible only here. Okay. Now Ishant Raj is here. Okay, very good. Then we have Dipanshu. Very good. Now this one, Yanmay Kumar Singh. And Mit is here. Now we have Mit Shivam. Then this one has only number. I do not have his name. So write your name. Then we have Ria Marwadia project. Okay, very good. Then we have Utsav Raj. So all of you have understood the structure of the seed, inside view of the seed structure. You understood? Akanksha, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what are the three types of seed? What three parts of seed? Tell me, Akanksha.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the three parts of the seed. Three main important parts of the seed.
Embryo, catlegion, seed coat.
You have to say embryo, cotyledons. Cotyledons you have to say. Cotyledons, embryo, seed coat. Okay, very good. What is the function of cotyledon? What is the function of cotyledon? What does embryo do? You do not remember.
No, sir.
Only one line answer is there. You can open your book and you can see what is given there. You read out and let me know. This is your copy, Akanksha, you see. You have completed, Aradhana? You have completed?
Yes, sir.
Send it. Okay, this one is your Aradhana. The purpose of giving this homework is that you have to keep in your mind what is the basic structure of the seed. Okay, understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Let me check very quickly, then we will begin. Now we have Garima Sharma. Those who is not saved in my mobile, so I am writing to him. Write your name. Okay. So you have to write your name. Those whose name are not saved. I am writing to them. Right. When you write your name, you mention your section also. Okay, only 3 or 4 copies are left. Sometimes page doesn't open very fast. I am getting the message your internet connection is unstable. These days I don't know why it's happening. Okay, now I think we have completed. Only 2 assignments are left. Okay, we have completed. Okay, we have completed now. Now I am going to open the book. Okay. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am going to open the book. Now listen very carefully whatever I am telling you, whatever I am teaching you. Listen very carefully and try to keep it in your mind, because whatever I am teaching you, I will ask. Just now I have asked to you, Akanksha Ayushi, what is the function of cotyledons and what is the functions of embryo? You did not say to me till now. So let me show you. Very easy answer, only one line answer is given there. So whatever I am, I will teach you, whatever I will teach you, you have to keep it in your mind, because on the basis of that, I will prepare quiz and I will prepare online tests. So if you will have in your mind, then your test will be good. Otherwise, it will not be good. So whatever I am teaching you, you please try to keep it in your mind. I am telling to all students. I have unmuted only 2 students, Akanksha and Aradhana, but I am telling to all students, please concentrate at your study. And after 15 August, I think your school will be open from class 1 to 8. You might have heard or you might have read it in the newspaper. Have you read it in the newspaper, Akanksha Ayushi?
Yes, sir.
So be ready with that also. But whatever you are getting online, you please do it seriously. And whatever I am teaching you, you please keep it in your mind. Here we have Gsc book. And Aradhana, be sincere at your study. Okay, Aradhana. Are you not listening? Is there any problem regarding my voice clarity? Akanksha Ayushi, are you listening it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, whenever I am asking to something, Aradhana, she is replying. I think, okay. Now is it visible clearly? Let me know. Is it visible clearly? Akanksha Ayushi, please let me know. Is it visible? Aradhana Chaudhary, is it visible to you? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Rishiraj Marandi, unmute yourself. Rishiraj Marandi, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Is there any problem regarding my voice clarity?
No, sir.
Okay. So I had asked the question to Akanksha Ayushi that what is the function of cotyledons and what is the functions of embryo. So it is written here. What function of seed coat also is written here. Seed coat protects the baby plant and cotyledons store food for the baby plant. Only one line answer. So I have asked what is the function of cotyledons. So you need to say only one line answer. The cotyledons store food for the baby plant. Okay. Okay, let us begin this page today. All of you open book. What is this page number? Today we will study page number 59. Please. Now concentrate. Now I am going to begin. Today we are going to study about seed dispersal. What is seed dispersal? If all the seeds were to germinate near the mother plant, the seedlings would not get enough sunlight, air, and nutrients. Yes, this is fact and this is true also. If all the seeds were to germinate near the mother plants, means the main plant is there, all the seed and seedlings will germinate nearby them. So it will be very difficult to get enough sunlight, air, and nutrients. Therefore, it is necessary that seeds are spread far from the mother plants. That's why it is necessary that a seed should be dispersed from far away. Okay. The process of scattering of seeds to different place is known as dispersal of seeds. You can say dispersal of seeds or seed dispersals, both you can say. So we have got the answer of this question. What is seed dispersal or what is the dispersal of seed? The answer is given here. The process of scattering of seeds, the process of scattering of seeds to different place is known as dispersal of seeds. Okay. You underline, all of you underline this one. All of you underline, please underline this one from here. The process of scattering of seeds to different place is known as dispersal of seeds or seed dispersal. Plants have developed many methods of seed dispersal. So plants have developed many methods of seed dispersal. So let us discuss about them one by one. So number one point is given here: seed dispersal by wind. What is the actual meaning of seed dispersal? Seed dispersal actual meaning is that when birds or insects carry seed from one place to another, it is called seed dispersal. And it happens with wind also. Means when wind blew, so seed goes from one place to another. This is called seed dispersal. What are the agents of seed dispersal? The agents of seed dispersal, number one is given wind. Seeds of some plants are lightweight and some have hair-like or wing-like structures. Yes, we know that seeds of some plants are lightweight, and some have hair-like or wing-like structures. That seeds float in air and are thus dispersed by wind. And that kind of seeds float in air. They float in air, go from one place to another place. Seeds of cotton, dandelion, and silk cotton. See, these are the examples of floating seeds. These are the examples of floating seed in the air. Okay, they float in the air. Very smoothly they float in the air. So what kind of seeds float in the air? Is given seeds of cotton, dandelion, and silk cotton are lightweight and have fine hair-like structures, while seeds of maple and drumstick have wing-like structures. So seeds of maple leaf and seeds of drumsticks have wing-like structures. They have wing, like birds, they wing, they fly in the sky. So in this way, sometimes wind are the main agents of dispersal the seeds or dispersing the seeds. So we came to know that such seeds floats in the air The example given is here: seed of cotton, dandelion, and silk cotton. If I will ask you the question, tell me 3 examples of the seeds which float in air. So you have to say seeds of cotton, dandelion, and silk cotton. These float in air. And seeds of maple and drumsticks have wing-like structures. They have wing. Wing means that punch, wing-like structures. So they float in air very smoothly. Then we have second number agent is dispersal by water. Sometime seed dispersed by water also. How? Let us study over here. Dispersal by water takes place in some aquatic plants and in some plants which grow near a water body. Okay, dispersal of seeds. It happens only to the aquatic plants which grows into the water. Aquatic plants means which grows into the water. So those plants which grows into water, only they are say dispersed by water or nearby. Okay, nearby the pond, nearby the river. Seeds of water lily float and are thus dispersed by water. One example is given here: seeds of water lily. Okay, they float in water and are thus dispersed by water. The coconut seed has a tough fibrous covering which has plenty of air space inside. And the coconut seed has a tough fibrous covering. Okay, the coconut seed has tough fibrous covering, the outer part, which has plenty of air spaces inside. This helps the coconut seed float on water. Just because of this, the coconut float in the water, float on water, and thus they get carried away to far off places. Means one place to another place. In this way, they carry. So this is the dispersal by water. But dispersal by water, it happens to the aquatic plants only. Only aquatic plants or nearby rivers, ponds, areas. Okay. Now dispersal by animals. Dispersal by animals. Some seeds have spine-like structures. Spine, like a kanta in Hindi, it is known as kanta. Spine-like structures. They get stuck to the fur of animals and thus are carried to distant places. So what they do, those kind of seeds, what they do, they stuck to the animals or birds on their body. When birds fly or animals go from one place to another, so in this way they carry this seed. Beggar tick, xanthium, and urena. These are the examples: beggar tick, xanthium, and urena. Listen again: beggar tick, xanthium. You have to say xanthium. Okay, beggar tick, xanthium, and urena are examples of such seeds. So these are the examples of seeds which is dispersed by animals. Okay, which is dispersed by animals. Some seeds of berries and gavas are swallowed by birds. So many seeds are there which are swallowed by animals, which are swallowed by birds actually. So some seeds of berries and gavas, because gavas seeds are very, very small and berry seeds are also small, by birds and animals along with the fleshy part of their fruits. So whatever the fleshy parts eat, the small birds, so they eat with that also. These seeds get dispersed with their droppings. So whenever they go, when they drop the seeds, whenever they drop their food, so with that help, seeds also dispersed there. Human beings, monkeys, and birds eat only the fleshy part of fruits like mango, lychee, plum, and throw away the seeds. And we human beings, we eat only the fleshy parts of these fruits like mango. We don't eat the seeds of the mango. We eat lychee. We don't eat the seeds of the lychee. So we throw the seeds of lychee, mangoes, or whatever is there, plum. So in this way, they scattered like that also. And now we have at last dispersal by bursting. What is dispersal by bursting? Actually, dispersal by bursting. Some fruits burst open when they mature. So many fruits are there. When they mature, they burst. With the sound, tak like that. They burst, tak like that. The force of bursting spreads the seeds far away. Just because of this force of bursting, seeds dispersed here and there. In this way, they scattered. For example, ladyfinger, castor, balsam, and pea pods explode when dry. So these are the examples of those fruits or seeds. They burst open and they scattered like that. That is ladyfingers, castor, balsam, and pea pods explode when they dry. So today we have studied dispersal of seeds and the agents of the dispersal of seeds. Okay, here one example with picture is given: dispersal by wind. Let me make it bigger. See, dispersal by wind. This is the cotton plant, I think. Dispersal by water. This is the coconut. Just now we have studied dispersal by water. Dispersal by animal. This is the spine-like seeds. Okay, this is the spine-like seeds, means kata-like seeds in Hindi, and they stuck in the animal's body. Here you can see the doggy picture is given here. So in the doggy's body, it has stuck this seed. Doggy will go, that seed will be carried. If they will fall down, so there, it will be the in this way they are scattered, those kind of seeds, and they germinate themselves. Then here, fourth number is given: dispersal by bursting. Just now we got disconnected. I think network problem is going on, but no problem. We have completed today the dispersal of seeds. Let me give you homework. Okay, all of you understood the dispersal of seeds? All of you understood? Let me know. You understood? Raise your hand. You understood or not? Dispersal of seeds, you understood? Mayank, Ritesh, Aradhana, all of you tell me. Raise your hand. Yeah, you understood the dispersal of seeds. Very good. Okay, very good. So let me unmute at least one student. Ishant Raj.
Yes, sir.
You understood dispersal of seeds?
Yes, sir.
What are the agents of seeds? What are the agents of dispersal seeds? Can you tell me?
Seed dispersal agents are wind, water, animal, and bursting.
And wind also.
Yes, I tell wind also.
Okay. So listen, today I am giving you homework. Let me open the book, that page where I was. So you listen, all of you listen your homework. First of all, let me know, are you listening properly? Ishant Raj?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write your homework, everyone. All of you need to write the examples of dispersal seeds, dispersal by wind, 3 examples or 5 examples, dispersal by water, 5 examples, dispersal by animals, 5 examples, dispersal by bursting, 5 examples you have to write. Okay. And you have to write the definition of dispersal. The definition is given here. The process of scattering of seeds to different places is known as dispersal of seeds. This definition you need to write. Then you have to explain dispersal by wind. Dispersal by wind, you have to put heading, then you have to write 5 examples. So dispersal of wind, 5 example is given here only. Such seeds floats in the, here is given homework, and here is given the example. Seeds of cotton, dandelion, and silk are lightweight and have fine. You just need to write the name of those seeds. Okay, you just need to write the name of those seeds, name you only write. Very less homework. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to then again you have to write dispersed by water. Only 3 or 5 example you need to write. Example is given here: coconut seed, fibrous, then the helps. So in this way you just need to write the example. Then seed dispersal by animals, you just need to write the examples, the seeds name. right? Like here it is written bigger teak, xanthium and urena are examples of such seeds. Then dispersal by bursting. Dispersal by bursting is also written here. That is ladyfinger, castor, balsam and pea pods explode when they dry. So you just need to put the heading and then you have to write the examples. Dispersal by wind, then you have to write examples. Then
Yes, sir.
dispersal by water, then you write the 5 examples. Dispersal by animals, then you have to write examples. Dispersal by bursting, you have to write 5 examples. 5 examples means you have to write the name of those seeds name you need to write. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
So in the next class, I will check this homework. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then in next class, we'll continue from there. And I will asking question. Maybe I will prepare online that game-based quiz. In that, I will write these kind of questions, whatever I have taught you, whatever I have made you understand. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today, till here only. Okay. I'm going to unmute to
Yes.
each and everyone for saying bye. Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.